Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Swastik, and in this video we are going to talk about Windows 11 under 3 minutes. So the first thing is centered taskbar. As you can see, the Windows taskbar has become just like the Macs. They are no longer on the left hand side of your screen. They are actually present on the center of your screen, and it is actually good. It looks actually modern. Yes. So the next thing is a start menu. It's a brand new refresh, and as you can see, there are no live tiles. Microsoft says that the search in the start menu has become more dynamic, and now if you're going to search for anything on your Windows PC, it is actually going to show you more relevant things than it did before. Okay, so the next thing is no sharp corners on Windows. All the corners have become rounded, and there are no sharp edges to the corners as it was there before. So yes, it looks modern. It looks a lot modern. The next thing is snap layouts. So you can actually adjust the orientations of the various windows and be more organized with the help of snap layouts. You can actually divide your screen into 3 or 4 compartments, and you can tell your apps to go there directly. So it is going to help you be more organized with your windows and be more productive. Okay, so when you're connected to an external display, and suppose you have a lot of tabs and windows opened on the external display there, and you're working there, and you just suddenly unplug the monitor, those windows actually used to become jumbled on your laptop screen, and when you plug the monitor once again, so you actually had to manually move those windows from your laptop screen to the external display as you wish. But after Windows 11, when you connect back to the monitor, the windows will position themselves to the position where they were previously. So this was actually a much needed feature of Windows, and it is going to be very helpful. So the next big thing is Android apps on Windows. So Android apps are not going to run natively on Windows. It is actually going to use a technology from Intel, which is known as the Intel Bridge technology. So you will need to download an Amazon app from the Microsoft Store, and that Amazon app is going to act as the Android app store for your Windows PC. So the next big thing for gamers is direct storage technology. So previously what used to happen is when you used to load a game, all the game assets and the game data used to go from your SSD to your processor and then used to come to your graphics card. But with the help of this Intel Bridge technology, it actually creates a direct link between your GPU and your SSD. So your GPU can fetch directly whatever the game assets it needs from directly the SSD. So it is actually going to rapidly decrease your game loading timings, and your games will load much faster. So remember, this technology is not going to work with hard disks. It actually requires SSD, that is solid state drives. Okay, and the last and the most important thing is about Windows 11 is that it's free. So if you have Windows 10 right now, you will actually get a free upgrade whenever it rolls out for your device, and it will be completely free. So you will not be charged. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and help it grow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.